Hey guys, Zebec is the dip over? We're gonna look at the chart and we're gonna see here, but we got a Twitter post from them that is very, very intriguing. Okay, a very intriguing Twitter post, which we will go over in just a second. But cue my guy Indigo Saint. Hey guys, let's get it. Boom. Let's get it. Indigo Saint in the building. Blackrue Investing. Let's go.
Who's this producer?
Best believe it was Blackrue Investing. With your money, you ain't gotta be guessing. Profits is what we manifesting, so we binge on our Blackrue Investing. Best believe it was Blackrue Investing. Got course in this race, we ain't resting. We got stocks, we got crypto with a blessing. Just thank God for that Blackrue Investing. Best believe it was Blackrue Investing.
What is up, crypto warriors? What is up, Blackrue crew? We're in the house here today on a Wednesday. Okay. Let's see here who we got in the comments. What's up, Hater All Day? What's up, Magic Hat? What's up, Bolo? Man, honestly, I thought ZBCN was going to go down a little bit more, but it seems like the dip is over, which is crazy to think about. We're back to 0.0052, which is insane to think about. But we got a post from them that I want to get into. Want to discuss what's next. Man, it's just so much to like about this. And again, let me know if the sound issues are taken care of. I looked at my Blue Yeti and saw a different setting that might be better for us. So let me know if that works out. And yeah, let me go ahead and share the screen here. So this is crazy what I've been seeing from ZBCN as far as like, man, like I almost hate to say this, but it seems like the community is showing up so big, y'all. It's almost like we got a meme coin community that's like dead and dyed in the wool Zebec, right? Zebec. Dyed in the wool Zebec, okay? So much so it's like we got a meme coin community with real world utility going on here with what we got going with Zebec. Okay, so let's discuss a couple things first before we get into this here. Shout out to my guy Midas Gold. He posted this earlier. If you're not following him, this guy is a good follow. Along with also Mr. Forsyth, a good follow. Good follow for Zebec News. So he has here 134K approximately. Huge players are coming into ZBCN. This was 8 hours ago. Another order placed for 27 million Zebec, approximately 125K. Okay. Very cool to see here, right? And as you can see here, even 8 hours ago, you got a whole bunch of buy-in and not that much selling going on. Hence, that's why we're at 0.0052 right now. Like, this is crazy to think about. We had this little dip where we touched kind of this Fibonacci, right? Because this is a GAN fan here. With the GAN fan, you have like kind of moving Fibonacci's. And it touched that 2-1 Fibonacci here around like the 3-8 area and bounced right back up. Which is insane. That might have been the dip. That might have been it. Because if we want to bring in other indicators here, like the RSI, as far as the 12-hour goes, it looks like it's oversold. So on the 12-hour, it looks like it's oversold, which means it's probably going to get bought back up, which, you know, again, on the day chart is still just really high. That just shows how bullish we've been on the day chart. That it's just screaming high like this But again, on the 12-hour, looks like a buy. Looks like it's screaming buy right there. So this is crazy how big the community has come out for this, guys. Let me see if I can find the post here. Somebody posted a picture of his 77-year-old daddy buying a million Zebec. Let me see if I can find that post. Mr. Forsyth posted it. And it was a good post, man. It's like, okay, grandpa knows. You know what I'm saying? Like, daddy knows out here what Zebec has going. It was crazy to look at. Let me see if I can find it here. There's so many good posts. Here, let me go back to my posts here. Come on. Okay, let me go to my posts here. I don't know why I'm having trouble going to my posts. There we go. Okay, so let me grab that post. And I was like, wow, somebody's, yeah, here it is. So look at that. My 77-year-old dad picking up over a million Zebec on Uphold. Okay, proud of him. He's also a retired Navy Master Chef. He deserves it and will get to enjoy the life he deserves without any financial limitations after this bull run. That's cool to see, man. I don't even think we need the sound here, but that's awesome, man. That's awesome to see. When you see stuff like this, you know, like, the community is seriously behind this. So much so that somebody's father is like, yeah, I'm ready. Again, shout out to Cavell Kavan. He's up here engaging the TikTok crowd. And honestly, I didn't think the TikTok crowd can be engaged, but he's doing it. And he has over 1 million subscribers on his TikTok account. So shout out to him. Like, the TikTok crowd is engaged now. You know, we got Rob Mass, me, Maximus Crypto, Mr. Forsyth, CKJ News, Zach Rector. So many people over here on YouTube and Twitter talking about it. You know, Zach Rector's dyed in the wool, like XRP guy. Even he was talking about it. Joshua Roomberg, he just followed me. He just started talking ZBCN. Let me see if and if you know Joshua Roomsberg, if you know this guy, he follows every good project, bro. So founder of Chainlink, and he was talking ZBCN. And I think I said something about a post he made about ZBCN. Like, he's killing it. He's talking it. Let me see. Where is that post? Okay, liked my reply. So here he is saying, bam, new all-time high for ZBCN. I wanted to add more, but not now. News coming. Okay, more on that later. News coming. Zebec, I have my eye on you. Okay, this is craziness, guys. What we have going here with Zebec. Again, I told you guys before, I think 20 million makes you a millionaire for sure. If you own 20 million Zebec, I really think we're getting to 5 cents. You know, not financial advice. Do whatever you need to do. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm blown away with what I'm seeing here from Zebec. I'm blown away. Let me see who we got in the chat here. Bolo Terry Bunn, D.R. Let's go. See you in there. Paul Andrew, Bucky Jones, Dave F. Lee, HBCU Maker, Brendan Moore. Your boy, what's up? Crypto Future Chart crowd here. What up, Rue? Let's go, Zebec. All right. Keep all those questions coming. We have a little format here of the show where we go into the information first and then we answer the questions. Okay, now let me just hit you guys with the DCENT Wallet commercial, and bam. Your crypto deserves the best protection, so why settle for less? DCENT Crypto Wallet isn't just another wallet. It's safe, secure, easy to use, and supports your favorite cryptocurrencies all at the touch of a button. And now with my exclusive link, you'll save $30 on your new wallet. Better security, smarter investing, $30 in your pocket. Click on the link now and secure your better security today. I saw someone bought a DCENT wallet today. Thank you very much. $30 off for one, $99 off for two. If you really want to help the channel, that's the best way to help yourself and help me, because now you have a cold storage wallet, and of course that goes back to the show. Okay, through the affiliate link. And right up here, you see our, let me change the view for a second. Right up here, you see our link for BTCC, where we're doing futures trading on there. Definitely check that out. We're doing futures trading there, and we're sharing some videos on it in the Patreon. We're kind of showing people how to do trading with charts. And yeah, futures trading, it's great. It's a great time. It's a fun time where you can take a little bit of money and make it stretch. And yeah, check that out on the Patreon. But yeah, let's go over here and look here for what is coming. Well, let's go into a couple partnerships on the card, right? They have a few partnerships that they just announced. One with Link AI. Says we're excited to partner with Zebec, a leading multi-chain payments infrastructure provider powering real-time crypto transactions and everyday utility. Through this collaboration, Link will be integrated into Zebec cards, enabling users to spend their tokens at any merchant that accepts MasterCard. A custom Link Q or Link AI debit card is also in the works, designed to bring seamless spending and on-chain access to the real world. Okay, this integration also benefits from Zebec AI, Zai, an AI-powered layer built to enhance payment security, detect fraud, and reduce AML risk before it happens. Together, we're bringing LNQ closer to real-world adoption and bridging Web3 utility with everyday access. So every day here we're getting Zebec news. Gotta love that. Okay, and we also had a partnership here with Build on Julia. Okay, the high performance open source AI Swarm network or framework is now joining the Zebec Silver Card. JOS will be spendable anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Starting later this week, a custom Zebec and Julia OS debit card is coming soon also. This is a part of the broader partnership between Zebec AI, integration between Zebec and Julia OS. So we're starting to get a lot more stuff about Zebec AI. And then this one, which is huge. I've heard of Spectre AI, and this is one of the ones we featured on a Patreon a couple times. Yeah, this has been pretty big. A new phase begins. Zebec Network and Spectre AI are preparing to take the next leap forward in our partnership. Zebec is powering not only real-time payroll and streaming finance, it is also the engine behind our Black Scepter cards or Spectre cards. AI cards. But this is just the beginning. Something special is brewing for Spectre AI holders. We are now showcasing Zebec HQ inside our Spectre or Scepter let's say Spectre, AI on-chain search engine where users can explore in its market performance, on-chain sentiment, real-time flows, and cross ecosystem relevance all in one place. Let me just read that one more time for you guys. We're now showcasing ZBCN inside of our Spectre AI on-chain search engine where users can explore its market performance, on-chain sentiment, real-time flows, and cross-chain ecosystem relevance all in one place. With ZBCN gaining attention from key exchange listens to rumored discussions with Ripple XRP, which we've heard and we did a show on, the momentum is undeniable. A sub-penny token fueling real utility, sub-penny, not for long, fueling real utility, real-time payments, and potentially deeper integration with future of on-chain finance. So they're laying it all out here. App.Spectre AI network. What comes next? Watch closely. This is huge, man. Like all of those are huge. We went over the other ones before, Bert, but I'm really huge on the one with Link AI and Spectre AI. Okay, those are huge. Those are very, very, very huge. And then now to something that is very, very interesting that we got from Zebec. Okay. Something's brewing across the pond. They just posted this 12 hours ago. Something is brewing across the pond. What's brewing? What's brewing across the pond? That's I want to know what's brewing. They just put that out there and didn't say anything. So I'm curious, guys. What do you guys think is brewing across the pond? What's going on, huh? I'm very intrigued about what can be going on across the pond right there. Let me know what you guys think they mean by this. Because I went in here to look, and besides seeing another exchange listing and a whole bunch of really great Zebecians in there, or Zebecians. Remember, we've already gone over that it's Zebec, but anyway. They do have a new exchange listing in here, okay? But what can it be? What are they cooking up? I don't see I don't see anybody saying what they thought it was. They were just like, what's happening out here? Okay? So I'm interested in seeing what you guys might think it is. Okay? Just for a little review for people who might not know what Zebec is. Anybody watching this kind of for the first time. Again, shout out to my guy Modest Gold here. He made a very nice chart that kind of shows some Zebec partners right up top here. Circle, Solana Ventures, Coinbase, and which Coinbase we got Brian Armstrong there. We got Lightspeed Ventures. We know these guys are partnered also with XRP. We got Republic. We got Shima Capital, which we know these guys. They are also investors in MetaPath. And MetaPath is the other part of Swift blockchain. We got Briar Capital. Me and Max did a show on Briar Capital, in which these guys, they're partnered with Epic Games. Briar himself, I think is Jim Briar or Tim Briar. Let me pull it up right quick because I don't want to butcher this man's name. His first name. These guys, Briar Capital was also a partner in Circle. So for him to be partnered in Circle and a lead partner in Zebec, man, that just shows you how big this is for Circle, how big this is. And he's a former Blackstone guy, okay? We've also been over how Blackstone and BlackRock are related. You can see here Jim Breyer, okay? And in his portfolio, he has Facebook Meta, Spotify, Etsy, Grammarly, Legendary, 21st Century Fox, Marvel, and Epic Games, like I was telling you earlier there. Walmart, and of course, Circle, like I was telling you as well. Okay? These are, this is one of the guys behind Zebec, okay? Okay, that's why this is not some, fly-by-night like meme coin. This is something with real world utility, specifically about payroll, okay? And we see that Zebec reposted one of their interviews with Lisa Robbins, former CFO of ADP. And Simon has told us, Simon Babakani, their COO, has told us that they are partnered with ADP. This is just further confirmation that they are. Okay? So, if you're not familiar, ADP is one of the leading payroll company in the US. No one does more payroll than ADP in the US. And they're publicly traded. And by being publicly traded and a Fortune 500 company, guess who holds them? Yes, that's BlackRock. BlackRock holds, they hold some ADP. 8.5% to be exact. But I'll show you right now. You can see here. And ADP has been nothing on the rise, but on the rise since Donald Trump took office. Again, that kind of, to me, kind of shows you, it's kind of tipping you off that crypto's here to stay, guys. Crypto's going to be huge. Anything related to XRP, anything related to the ISO 20022 coins, American cryptos, they're going to be big in my opinion. Okay, my opinion, not financial advice. But if we were to bring up here a mind map of my own, which I think I closed. There we go. There it is. Okay, I clicked it and I must have. There we go. So we can see here, okay, BlackRock owns ADP, 8.5%, which we'll even double check for you guys here. I can show you the proof of that. And Paychecks, but we know BlackRock and Securitize are part of Ondo Finance, right? And we also know that they have Zebec, that is, partnership with Zero Hash, which their CEO, Simon Babakani, probably brokered that deal because with Bain Capital, when he used to work for them, this is my speculation, that when he used to work for Bain Capital, he became acquainted with Zero Hash because Zero Hash is funded by Bain Capital, which is why I put this connection here. SBI Group has a partnership with Securitize, and XBI Group, we know RP is funded by those guys. Okay? And we know the partnership with Stellar, with Zebec, through USDY, which both Zebec and Ondo are partnered together with that. So Zebec, Ondo, and Stellar. And we got here, of course, Lily Liu, who's a president of Solana. She's also on Zebec's board. And we know Solana has deals with Visa. And with Stellar here, these are all the payment systems that work with Stellar. You can also view Coinbase as a payment system because it's a cryptocurrency exchange They eventually may even sell stock on there like Kraken does. But we know we got remittance programs like MoneyGram, MoonPay, Ripio, Alchemy Pay. All of these are linked into Stellar. I think this is called Transact or Trans, linked into Stellar, and all of these have Visa cards. So we know also that MasterCard is partnered with Zebec, okay? So that's a little kind of recap for anybody who might be new. And let me see. Yeah, let me see if, yep, and Midas Gold here touches on a couple other ones that we didn't mention here. JP Morgan, MasterCard. Yeah, we mentioned BlackRock. Okay, and yeah, we covered all of them now. Now, one thing that may be pretty big that's coming up here, okay, besides whatever big is happening beyond the pond, is we got XRP approval. XRP ETF approval. This is the Motley Fool, very popular stock magazine. They say here, the first major catalyst is the potential approval of a new spot XRP ETF. All eyes are now on June 17th, which is the date the SEC might sign off on the spot XRP ETF application from Franklin Templeton. Does that sound familiar? Franklin Templeton, we know they are partnered with Stellar, and Stellar is partnered with ZBCN. Okay, so very huge there. And again, we already know that Simon told us that they'll have something coming, a partnership coming with Ripple. So can you imagine if Ripple's spot ETF is approved, and then days later or whatever, Simon tells us, oh, well, our Ripple partnership is approved. Can you imagine if Ripple buys Circle and all of this stuff happens? There's so many coming catalysts that make me very, very confident in my own opinion about it hitting the price target of 5 cents, my own personal price target. So before we go any further, let's go ahead and get to some of these comments. Okay, let's start from the top. And hey, if we're lucky in here, it might just beep and pass my little indicator here. We've already got to 0.0053 while we were talking here. Looks like it might be destined for more. And the way it's looking, that might be a new high if it passes that. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Oh man, this is amazing. Like, it looks like it's really wanting to pass that. And this is the HTX exchange. So let's see. It's really crazy if it passed that. Yeah, so let's go ahead and look at these comments here. But I'm going to stop sharing and put something on the screen. While we're talking, so you don't get the double window here. Look at that. Okay, we'll just put that on the screen while I'm looking at the comments here. So, Hitter All Day, Zebec, and Collateralize are game changers. First, the only soldier in the room so far, get that like button and watch them pause at the door when you enter, soldiers. Let's freaking go. Yeah. First, okay, that went twice. Just in time. What's up, Magic Hat? Bolo, what's up? Cherry Bun, let's freaking go. D.R. what's up? Andrew or Paul Andrew, ready to collect my tendies, bro. Paul Andrew here. Bucky Jones, what's up? Let's get it, bro. What's up, Root Crew? Yeah, hater. Let's go. Let's see. Lee, what's up, Lee? Terry Bond, we got a support line. HBCU leg maker, what's good, bro? Can I share on X? Yeah, definitely share on X. We should be on X as well. Okay, yep, we got 230 on X. We got 277 on my channel. Okay. Brendan Moore was up. Magic Hat, I think we were breaking that tonight. K Lily, yo. Y'all see your hair, Bay in the house. Let's go. Mo, almost. It's a cult. I don't know about that, Mo. I don't know about that. See, and people make this argument about meme coins, right? Meme coins are like a cult because it's just a pretty picture. This is something that actually has real utility behind it. So for me, I think it's more than a cult, in my opinion. The new XRP is here. ZBCN. Well, I kind of push back a little bit against the whole new XRP thing, but here we are. We have a ding there. Let's see if it's ZBCN. Where is that? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. We're going right past. This is a new high, guys. This is a new high. Hey, just keep going, why don't you? Just keep going, why don't you? Let's see if we got it on any other. Okay, that was HTX. Let's see, KuCoin. Oh, KuCoin's even higher. KuCoin tends to be kind of high on the high side. Let's see. MEXC. Oh yeah, we're right. We've new high. We've hit new high. We've hit new high. We've hit new high. Nice job. Let's go. Okay. All right. Man, I love it. I love it. Let's see here. Buy more and pump your own bags. Basic math. What's up, Shawnee? Sean 06. Hazel eyes, green, gray. Exactly. No one's selling. Matt Oliver just loaded up 40K more. Let's go with the dance. Let's freaking go. Charlie J. Mark Thompson ain't dropping to triple zeros ever again. Nah, I really don't think so. I just, not financial advice or anything like that, but I don't think that's happening. Do you think ZBCN will hit futures? At some point, somebody will have a futures. Mr. Crypto Boombastic, bags packed. Mark Thompson, ZBCN taking over payroll is huge. Just a matter of time. Let's go. Day F. Zebec Army, brother. New all-time high. Yeah, we hit new all-time high. Carol B989. What is up? Hey, Rue and crew. Not getting notifications. That's terrible, man. Oh, man. That's terrible. I tried. So I'm going live on StreamYard. I don't know if it makes a difference if I'm going live on my StreamYard or if I'm going live on Gentlemen of Crypto's ones. It seems to be if I go live on Gentlemen of Crypto, my X, I get a lot more X traffic. Seems like if I go live on StreamYard, I get a lot more YouTube traffic. It's crazy. I don't know. I don't know what to even do with that. Biz, big up, Rue. Providence hash, look it up. Thank you, mad scientist. I like that name. How you put it? Seance. Wait, is it seantist? Seantist? Instead of a scientist, you're a seantist. A seantist. That's cool, man. Fly Robin Fly up to the sky. What's up, Phantom Beat? Nerky buy new bag from Uphold. Yeah, and remember that airdrop is coming too. The airdrop is coming too, right? So buy a new bag on Uphold or transfer existing bag to get the airdrop. Yep. 0.005425. Zebec just got another listing. We showed that one. What is up, Jetpack? Follow Jetpack if you guys aren't already on X. Let's go ahead and go over to Jetpack's channel. Thank you so much, Sharp Vader and Mr. Forsyth, for sharing or at least liking the X post here. Appreciate that. Thank you, Hazel Eyes Crypto Debonair, for retweeting. But yeah, we got Jetpack here. Mentioning, here we go, Ondo, Zebec, MasterCard, and BlackRock. Terrific quad. Terrific quad right here. Terrific quad. Very nice there. And Jetpack sharing Midas's stuff. You know, this is what I love most about the community. Everybody sharing people's stuff around. Whenever there's news, people share it, let people know. It's an amazing thing. It's an amazing thing. Shout out to Ghost too. So if you guys are looking for a free community, come over to Ghost's page here on X, where he has a ZBCN community here. Ghost shares some very wonderful information here too. As you can see, he was on it. As soon as Link AI posted something, he posted it 14 hours ago. And of course, join the Patreon, where we have a Telegram, where we have a Zebec community is really active in there. I know Jetpack's a part of it. Definitely join the Telegram if you guys want to. Very active community in there. Shout out to E, who's our moderator in our Telegram. He keeps it moving over there, guys. Keeps it moving. Does DCENT Wallet let you stake ZBCN? I don't think they do. But DCENT Wallet does allow you to hold ZBCN, right? At the moment, the only way you can stake ZBCN is by doing it in a DeFi way through Phantom Wallet. I'm not sure if you can do that through your ZBC, through your DCENT. Okay. But again, I think Uphold eventually will offer staking. But we know they're offering the airdrop. I think Simon kind of hinted when he said that Uphold is going to be where they're going to do institutionalized stuff through Uphold. I think that's hinting that they're going to offer staking through Uphold. So I know someone kind of complained to Zebec about that, and they listened, right? They listened. And also Dr. Martin of Zebec, or of Uphold, said, hey, maybe we can use Zebec for our payroll. Maybe we can get that going. That's interesting too. Because remember, Zebec and whoever uses a Zebec card, right, is going to do contributing to the buyback program, which will essentially make Zebec deflationary. So you see here, there's been an uptick in Zebec cards. If we look here at the buyback, did I pass it? Okay, there we go. So in March, 50K or 50 million Zebec was bought back it directly is like it's like a 1-to-1, not 1-to-1. Like it's here, I'll just read it. Zebec announces next round of token buybacks, projecting 50 million ZBCN, approximately 50K. That's not. It's way more than that now. As always, buybacks are powered entirely by Zebec card revenue. Transaction will go live on chain in the coming days. Okay. So this one was from March. I think I somehow skipped the one from April. We'll see if we can find it. I don't know. I must have skipped it or something. I don't know. I haven't. But that's okay. Oh, man. See, oh, here we are where I'm missing it because I didn't share. Let me stop the screen and share all. Sorry about that, guys. Present. Share screen. Share entire screen. Okay. So I was just showing you. Oh, we got another beep there. That this coin is deflationary due to the buyback program. And I just read it here. I'm going to read it again. Zebec announces next round of token buybacks, projecting 50 million ZBCN. Around like this. It's way more than this now because this is from April 30th. As always, buybacks are powered entirely by Zebec card revenue. Transaction will go live on chain in the next coming days. Okay. So we're just going, bro. We're just going. I think since we got another all-time high, right? We can say that the dip is over. The dip is over. The dip is over. Oh man. See, we gotta love this, bro. We got to love this. And if you've been checking out my channel's content, right? We'll go ahead and go over there. Channel content. You'll see I have a huge ZBCN playlist. It's right on the front page. Definitely like and subscribe if you haven't already. We're very, very close to 6,000. We're only about 100 or something away. So definitely like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Share with your family. Like I was just speaking to somebody who was like, oh man, they put like 600 in Zebec or something like that. And it's gone to like 2,000. They're so thankful. They're so happy. Share this with your friends and family, right? Non-financial advice. Do whatever you want to do with your portfolio, but you can see here we've been giving you constant Zebec information here. The playlist is huge, but if we go, I'll show you. I think we recently had a video where I said, where is it here? I basically said ZBCN, if 20 million ZBCN can make you a millionaire. Can't remember where I did that show at. Was that a recorded show? Let me see. I think it may have been a recorded show. Yeah, it was a recorded show with Max. Let's see. We'll find it here. I'm missing it somehow. And this is crazy. This was when the back was at like 0.007, right? I made this show. Where is it? Why am I missing it? I'm just completely missing it. Okay, okay, here it is right here. I'm like, why am I missing it? How 20 billion ZBCN could make you a millionaire. And that was a month ago, right? And where was the price at a month ago? Where's the price at a month ago? We're in May. So a month ago, look at that. A month ago, we were 0008. Man, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. This shows you how big the community's gotten, like how much people have been like now aware of what Zebec has to offer. Okay, so we're killing it. We're killing it, and we have even more catalysts coming. Man, this is amazing. This is amazing, amazing. Bullish choices, yo. Jetpack, shouts out to Rue and crew. Thanks for all you do. No problem, brother. No problem. Think we got another super chat here. Let me just go hit it. Crypto Clay, thank you for all your amazing Zebec content. Have a 20 spot from the Mickle Mafia. Let's go. Let's go. Appreciate it, Crypto Clay. Thank you so much. Very appreciated. It goes into all the different stuff that we have here. Like you can see here, I know people are complaining about me and Max's, but I just want to show you guys something right quick. Like, you know, oops, moved my light there. We're buying things like this, you know, an amplifier and stuff like that. We're really working on the sound, guys, because we want it to be the best for you guys with our collaborations and stuff like that. So I bought this and other stuff. So it definitely does go back into the show. It really does. Yeah, let me go back to the chat. Boom. And I'm just going to keep it here. Let me know if the infinite mirror bothers you guys, but I'll end up changing it to something and forget that I've changed it to something. So I'm just going to keep it like this for now. What's up, Dot Biz? Big up, Rue. Just hit the all-time high. Yep. Okay, there we go. What's up, Bullish Choices? What's up, Jetpack? Buy Zebec and spread the word. Strong community. Like, I saw somebody else post someone else. Like, I can't believe that we're hitting Twitter like this. I think it was a woman on Twitter talking about Zebec. I'm like, are we like ladies are getting into this now? Because you know, shout out to you guys, to the ladies out there. But of course we know crypto is mostly male dominated, but the ladies are getting into the game now. Look at this. I hope there's no music. Shout out to Leo the Lion, another really good follow for Zebec. Man, I can sit here all day and show you guys so many good follows for Zebec. It's crazy. You know, Blue Collar Crypto, Leo the Lion, Crypto Mentality. Like, there's so many good follows. We talked about Midas Go. We talk about Jetpack Jo, Cavell Kavan. And let's see. I haven't listened to this. I hope there's no music, because if there's music, I won't be able to play it. Okay, y'all not gonna be able to hear because I have to go to one thing at a time. I hate that they changed this. It didn't used to be like this, man. But I know why they're doing it, because they want to save bandwidth. Okay, so let's hear what she has to say. I haven't listened to this, so I don't know what she's gonna say.
Have y'all been paying attention to what's been going on with that crypto?
Hold on.
Coin Zebec? Have y'all been paying attention to what's been going on with that crypto coin Zebec? I've been seeing it all over my timeline this weekend. So, child, I did my own research. I went to digging and I see that it's linked to XRP and Ripple. So, of course, I bought me some. And if you missed out on the 2020 wave, child, you don't want to miss out on this one. Everything's going to go digital. Everything's going to be digital assets. And if you don't own any crypto in the years to come, I don't know what to tell you. You just gonna sit back and see. My life gonna be totally different a year from now.
Okay,
All my
cutie.
investments I
Okay.
made, yeah. Have y'all been
Okay.
paying
Love
attention?
the accents too. I love accents. All right, cutie. Let's see. I think that they put her name or at least whoever's account she posted on Forest Unfiltered. So check out her on TikTok. I can't believe the TikTok crowd is engaged. Shout out to Shook Focus Digital, who I think is also live right now. So check him out after this. Um, he and I just did a Spaces, right? And there he goes. I just shared his stuff. Shout out to Shook Focus. We respect Shook around here. We did a Spaces. You have to scroll all the way down here. So much stuff I shared. Definitely go check out this space. Zebec and Dovu, the most tracked and trending projects right now. Shook dropped some alpha in this recording. Definitely check out this spaces if you haven't already. Man, it was just pure alpha, especially concerning connections to Uber. If you guys haven't checked out our last show, the last show that me and Max did, Zebec Super App. Max has some connections here to Zebec and Uber, okay? And they were some juicy connections, bro. And I just it looks like Zebec that super app might go on a Solana phone and they might be testing out things for Uber. This is a speculation. You'll have to check out the whole show to get exactly what we speculated on there. Shout out to Maximus Crypto. I really enjoyed the collaborations we do, right? We come over here and we get these collaborations done. I made a case on how I thought Zebec could go to $1 if everything aligned right, it could go to $1. And then here, Max makes the case about how Zebec could possibly be used by Uber. Okay, craziness. Remember, Zebec is built on Solana. Okay, so if these Uber drivers get the Solana phone, right, or they build the super app. Of course, it's a super app. It can go on any like a Solana phone or any Android or Apple product, but it seems like it could be best suited for the Solana phone. Definitely check that show out if you haven't already. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, and here it is. I showed her and then I forgot that I'm not. This is so frustrating, y'all. Share screen, entire screen. So yeah, check out this show right here, Zebec Super App. If you want to hear about all of that info that I was saying about Uber, definitely check that out if you haven't already. I show speed life. $1 to $5. I don't know about that this bull run, but maybe there's a case for $1 this bull run. Let me see if I can find one other thing here. Okay, I'm gonna have to do the whole stop share thing. And shout out to let's see here. We're gonna stop sharing, and we'll share screen. This is so freaking cumbersome. All right, let me find one thing for you guys here. Because Zach Rector did a really nice post on market cap and how market cap works, right? I'm going to play this fair use, by the way. Definitely check Zach Rector out if you haven't already. We're just going to listen to this short, a little bit of it. And this is another reason why maybe it can go to $1. Okay, let's listen to this. Now he's going to talk about it in terms of XRP, but this can be applied to any crypto. Okay, so I'm not going to debate that if it's easy to move or not. But what this shows us basically is 80 million of inflows actually led to 17 billion of market cap on XRP. Okay, so it's not a one-to-one when it comes to market cap. About we need a 4 billion in to get a 4 billion market cap. That's not actually true if we're going off of what Zach Rector is saying right there. So if we can play like an advocate, right? Price of, I know I played with this before, right? And we were thinking, oh, well, Zebec, if it has a market cap of Casper, then okay, that's 2.7 billion. It would be at 3.3 cents. Okay. I think we were looking at some other coin, Aave, which is close to what we're thinking. Okay, so Aave, right? 4.1 billion, right? And we're almost so you can see here we kind of even have a multiplier right now, right? I'm not sure how you would exactly calculate it, but it seems like we even have a multiplier now because we're at 5. We're like what are we at? 0.0 0.056. When we only have like 4.5, 454 million in there. So you would think that would equate to like 500 and something million, right? So we have some type of multiplier going on too. Somebody else can do the math on how that multiplier will work out or whatever. But seems like basically we don't have to get to the full 4.1 billion to get to 5 cents. But even still, that's only a 9x from here, right? Which I really think we can do that. With all the catalysts we have coming, this still haven't come, right? You know, Ripple partnership, Ripple buy Circle, Ripple ETF, ISO announced in July 14th. ISO announced 11/22. Stellar giving us extra information, which Simon said that was coming. Airdrop officially announced. Airdrop, staking on Uphold announced. We got so much more news coming, and we're still pumping. And that's even without the news, right? Oh my god. Oh, that's just so. It's just so crazy, bro. Like, so is 4.1 billion possible? Yeah, you betcha. You betcha. And now we gotta look kind of beyond that, right? What's beyond that? Well, let's go look at our handy dandy crypto thing here. Let's see certain market caps. So let's look at AVAX, right? Let's look at AVAX market cap. So with AVAX market cap, basically 10.1, and of course we realize it's not exactly a 1-to-1, but that would just be 22x from here. So is it really 22x from here? It's probably a little less, maybe 15 or whatever. But be that as it may, right? Even if we go back to Aave here, right? We're not too far from 5 cents. We're just not too far from 5 cents right now. Right now we are not. So I'm pumped, bro. I'm pumped. I don't know about you, but I'm pumped. Did we lose the audio? It's telling me we lost the audio. Can you guys still hear me? Okay, you lost that Zach Rector audio. Okay, no sound from Zach. Dang. Okay, you should have heard the sound from Zach. Let me go back. I'm so sorry, guys. God dang it. Okay, let me go back. Let me do it again. Okay, no audio still? Okay. Well, God dang. Okay, let me stop. One second. Okay, I don't know why that happened. Let me see. Stop sharing. Okay, then present, share. Okay, we're gonna do that again.
Cap myth. Now, of course, anybody. Today we're exposing the XRP market cap myth. Now, of course, anybody can calculate the market cap on XRP or any other digital asset. You take the last traded price by the circulating supply, it gives you a market cap. And for XRP, we're at about a $3.30 XRP all-time high. We got about 57 billion circulating coins. It's over $180 billion market cap, approaching 200 billion. But it's not a one-to-one ratio as far as market cap grows by a billion if $1 billion comes in. What we're seeing on XRP is a dramatic market cap multiplier. And that's what I'm going to be breaking down here in today's whiteboard session. Let's make it quick, simple, and yes, we are going to explain how we reach a $33 XRP based off of conservative assumptions from JP Morgan. Stay tuned. Getting started here yesterday, this is what we observed. By the way, you got two examples here, one of XRP price going up, one of XRP price going down. Take a look. Yesterday, XRP starts pumping. The market cap grows by $17 billion off of only $80 million of inflows into XRP. There's buying, there's selling. The net inflow during this was a 4-hour window, was 80 million of inflows, led to 17 billion market cap growth. And what you see here is that's a market cap multiplier of 212. Very dramatic. Now, check this out. It works going down as well, too. Just as quickly as it goes up, it can come down. Now, this is then when the SEC filed their appeal brief yesterday. And yes, this does add to the damages done. The red folder just grew by about 15 billion. Because when the SEC filed their appeal briefs, the market cap loss on XRP, the price went down from about 320 all the way down below $3. We lost 15 billion of our market cap, but only 55 million of outflows. This gives us once again another market cap multiplier above 200 here at 279. Now, in other examples of this in the past couple weeks, I've tracked the market cap multiplier for XRP being above 589. And in one instance, we even saw it up into the thousands. So XRP, the point being, is a very easy asset to move.
I don't know about it being an easy asset to move, but basically, bottom line, that shows us there is like a multiplier when it comes to market cap. So, 80 million inflows ended up being 17 billion in market cap for XRP. And you can tell here, even with us, where we're showing the market cap of here, there's some multiplier here because it's not a 1-to-1 to like 560 something million. So there is some type of multiplier going on here as well. So, that's even more of a case of why we could possibly get to that's even more of a case of why we can get to $1, right? But again, my price target is 5 cents, okay? 5 to 10, maybe even 15, we can almost say here. But you can see here that we have market cap of 454, but yet we have a price of 0.00563. So there is some type of multiplier that is going on there, because you would assume a market cap of actually 5.63 million or something like that, right? So there is a little bit of some type of multiplier happening here. So again, yeah, just wanted to stress that. We already said, okay, you can't hear me now? What the hell is going on? Okay, let me close this. Let me see. No sound from me. Let me see. How is this even possible? Okay, you can't hear me now. Is that true? Oh, okay. Okay. All right. I was reading some old comments. Okay. Okay. All right. So we might have heard Ruel say some bad words there. I know I'm trying to make it a family show, but I fall off the rails, y'all. I fall off the rails. Okay. Let's go to the top here. Okay. All right. And Max was trying to tell me. He texted me and everything, and I'm like, oh man. What's up, Cavell? Nice to see you in there, brother. Definitely check him out, guys, if you haven't already. Let me go ahead and bring the screen back. Okay. Let's see. Where did we leave off on our comments? I see E's in the house too here. Appreciate you, E. Nice to have you in here, brother. And see, you guys are telling me too. I have to make sure I check when as we continue with this, guys. I will get better. I'm telling you. As we do this, I'll make sure next time I'll play him and I'll come right back to the comments so you guys will tell me instantly if you still don't have any sound. So let's go back here. Thank you, Shook Focus, for the $5 super chat. Whoa, thank you, E, for the $20 super chat. You guys are killing it tonight, man. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's see. Where were we? Okay, I think okay. Was that a $220 super chats from me here? Okay, let me see. All right, here we go. And E says that Zebec is already on the futures. Okay, I'm just going to pick apart. Okay, there we go. And just start from there. All right, sweet. There we go. Forget XRP and meme coins. Okay, there we go. Zebec is what you missed in 2017. I got you in 2017 with XRP. What's up, Shawnee Sean? 0006. What's up, Ocean View Coffee Shop? Renee, great stuff, Ruel. Appreciate it. No, I don't think we see that. Adrian Prishado. I think we had a chance to have that happen, but now it's gone. Now we're done with that. We had that chance right about here. Like once it touched this resistance and didn't fall down to like the 2-3 area, I think we're good now. Only other thing, maybe we have to see what happens here when the waning part, if this moon comes in, because we just hit the new moon here, and we're just still going, even though we got the new moon. So we might see something there, but I think we're just gonna. Just like this new moon here, we're just going to keep climbing, right? It was climbing with this new moon, and I think we continue to climb with this new moon. So, as you can see, 0.0057 and climbing. Woo! Gotta love it. Let's go. Madman, what's up? Hello, humans. RPP, reference your show for Zebec coverage. I saw that he did that, and I said thank you on his channel, man, on that show. Because shout out to you, E. I saw you shared that in our Zebec topic on our Telegram. Again, come on into the Telegram if you guys want some Zebec News. That's a Patreon feature. But yeah, guys, like shout out to Red Pill Professional for sharing my stuff. Let me go ahead and show him here. He's a great follow on Twitter, but he's also a freaking great YouTube follow as well. Check out Red Pill Pro. Okay, he has his link to his YouTube here. Great follow. He does some great mind maps as well. So he just did a show on Zebec as well. Check him out if you haven't already. Zebec billboard in Vegas. Yep. Man, we're just killing it, guys. The community is showing up and showing up big. Like you just saw, right? How we showed the wonderful looking black lady right there. The ladies have showed up to the party. TikTok has showed up to the party. Gotta love it, man. This is crazy. I haven't seen anything like this as far as the community goes since Shiba Inu. Like, for real. Like, it's crazy. And I remember, shout out to Underdog Research Channel. He was covering Shiba Inu back then. Man, it's a crazy sharing community. Even who was all in here? Cavell's in here. Shook Focus is in here. Maximus is in here. We got the community in here, right? And that's how it is. We're showing up for each other, and we're sharing the information, man. You gotta love that. Fernando Espinosa. If it drops back to 3-3, yeah. If it drops back there, we loading up. For real, bro. For real. I gotta start that one. Yeah, if it drops back there, we loading up, bro. Buy Zebec. It's as soon as possible. It's rising 100%. Zebec don't. The beat. Zebec doesn't know 0.003 no more. We don't know that no more. 003 don't live here anymore. to riff off the old song, Love Don't Live Here Anymore. If any of y'all know that one. Every technological endeavor carried out in Japan shows its face in the U.S. and around the world soon. Example of this is the iPhone. It was introduced in Japan and then arrived in the U.S. 100%. Bitcoin 2025 Zebec is Binance across the pond. That's true. Binance is across the pond. Maybe we get a Binance listing. Oh, that's a good one. Fernando. That's a good one. Are you still high on Swift? I am still high on Swift. And we know Swift is partnered with Zebec through Nautilus Chain. Again, I think when things get loosened up in China, as far as the rules go, I think we see Swift pop. Me and Max are probably going to do some more talking about Swift pretty soon in our weekly collaboration, so definitely be on the lookout for that. Quant just happened to be ripping when they said that. Yep, I think Max said something about that. That's coming soon too. Guess Z is my new ex. Let's see. Zebec will be in the dollars range in 8 to 6 years from now, but it'll hit $1 before 6 years. Midas Gold, yeah, that's right. Z is my new ex. Fire. What's your price outlook on Swift and Jcoin? This bull run route for Swift, 33 cents. J, I'm not sure what Jcoin is. What's up, Warren Cybrant? I heard about Zebec. I heard Zebec had an agreement with Japan from another YouTube. Have you heard anything about this? Yes. I mentioned this in a show a while back. Let's see if we can find the information just very easily. They've been had something going on in Japan since like 2022. If I'm not mistaken. Zebec, Japan. There we go. But again, the more people find out and the more they share about this, the better. So this particular thing is from January 8th, 2024. But I thought I saw something about this in 2022. But anyways, Japan debut. Zebec, a category-defining fintech startup, proudly announces its launch of its advanced Web3 payment and real-time payroll services in Japan. This strategic move not only marks Zebec's continued global expansion, but also underscores its commitment to fostering collaborative financial innovation worldwide. Japan, known for its pioneering a regulatory framework for digital finance, offers an optimal setting for Zebec's tech, tailored to complement the sophisticated and robust nature of Japan's financial ecosystem, providing significant enhancements to traditional payment methods and digital payment options. Okay, so here we are with that. And they're telling us about WageLink and the instant cards. We don't have to read all of this. And of course, they're telling us also that they were founded in 2021. We know investments by Circle, Coinbase, Solana, Breer Capital, DST Global, Lightspeed Ventures, and others. So, yeah. So, yeah, everybody spread the news about this, of course. And we know that XRP is pretty big in Japan. I can bring up some information for that. I think I know they're big in Japan. I just don't know if I can bring up the information quickly. XRP is oh, I don't know that I spelled that right. Okay, there we go. Mizuho pilots Ripple for cross-border payments. Mizuho is in Japan. Mizuho and SBI trial cross-border payment system. So again, this shows you the SBI group is right there with Ripple. Okay, they've always been right there with Ripple. As a first step, MHFG and SBI plan to trial international remittances utilizing Ripple Connect. Back in the day, they used to call it Ripple Connect instead of the the Ripple Ledger. Cross-currency settlement technology from Ripple Labs. Hereinafter, Ripple, a U.S.-based company in which SBI is a major investor. Okay, it's a major investor. So when I go back and I show you this mind map here, this is why I said that SBI and Ripple were connected. Okay. Now, if I go and show you Securitize, let's just go ahead and break it all down. Right now, right? If I go and show you Securitize, let's show some receipts for this. Let's see the news. Do we want, where is their news? Press, maybe? Okay, yeah. So Securitize, we'll scroll down and you'll see so here we go. BlackRock, Bill Dell, right? Redstone, which I did a video on. zero hash, which is why I put them with securitized as well. There is another zero hash. Did I pass it? Japan Alliance. There we go. SBI, Digital Markets and Securitized, partner on Singapore-based digital assets marketplace. So you can see it right there, right in black and white, right? So that's how that came together on a mind map. Okay? So we showed you exactly the Japan connection here, exactly the Japan connection to Ripple, exactly where it is on the mind map, and exactly the Zebec connection to Japan. That's all the stuff. Big wigs are buying. I'm sure Coinbase is buying. That's a good point too. Let's go Zebec on fire. Cook Ruel. Told my friend to buy more Zebec today before went on vacay. I hope he listened. I know a guy at my work. He bought some and he was happy. He bought it on a dip too, because he knows I'm into cryptocurrency. He bought on a dip too. He got in on a dip and he's like, I was looking at my phone today and I was like, oh. So he was quite happy, man. He was quite happy. Oh man, it's just a beautiful thing, man. It's a beautiful thing. What's up, Kurt Dog? What's up, Stump Rider? Remember, smash that like, everybody. Jai's on fire. Trust Wallet is not letting me swap for ZBCN. What's up, Face Facts? Yeah, definitely like to stream so we can share it around, guys. We definitely want to share it around. We got 330 on my YouTube. We got 417 on X. What's up, Crypto Pete? I've been loading up on the dips since 0.007. Let's go. Still loading the dips. Let's go, Crypto Pete. View Geo, nobody sleeping tonight. Let's go, 100%. What's up, Sharp Vader? Another good follow on X. Follow him if you guys haven't already. Again, guys, this is how the community shows up for each other, man. This is what I'm saying. We can't be stopped out here, man. We can't be stopped out here, bro. And why do I not have the notifications clicked there? We can't be stopped out here. I can't sleep with this happening to me either, bro. The night it first went to 5, I couldn't sleep. I could not sleep out here. I couldn't do it. Let me just make sure we're all good on sound and everything. God, there's so many comments. Okay, let's see here. I'm so far behind on comments. Okay, let's go back up here. I'm really behind on comments. You guys bear with me. We're going to try to get to them all here. I got like 85 sound out comments, so we'll skip those when we get there. What's up, K Lily? Hit the like. Petty Capital, what's going on? Adrian 2323. No one doing live on this but you right now. FOMO hasn't really hit yet and it's popping. Let's go. Andrew James, don't you know how to pump it? You got to pump it up. Pump it up. Yeah, let's go. Bolofia. Let's go, Rue. Sharvader on both the YouTube as well. Appreciate it, brother, because I'm monetized on YouTube. Definitely like and subscribe on the X as well. I'm trying to get monetized on there, guys, so I really appreciate it if you can too on there. Put on some tunes. We had a new all-time high. Uncharted territory. Let's go. Pulse checked on ZBCN, bro. We up. E in the house. ZBCN is also on higher on crypto.com. Okay, good call there. E. Let's go. Yeah, can we hit 6 cents tonight? Let's do it. Pharmacopoeia. Well, Rue, things are looking great after the dip to 38. Ooh, you know what you're doing there with that 38 number, bro. That 11. I didn't think about that, but you're totally right, bro. You're totally right. You knew I would know that too. Nice stuff, bro. ZBCN. Yeah, 10 cent. I think 10 cent is absolutely doable. We just, if we come over here and look at, where is it? Market cap of a. Yeah, 10 cent might be really doable. That's only what, 8 billion? And what were we looking at that had like 10 billion? Was it AVAX? I think it was AVAX. As I can't type here. Yeah, so man alive, it's just looking so great right now. And let's see here. E was saying that it's higher on crypto.com. So let me reset it here. Okay, we hit that 6 and we came down. So yeah, so we hit, what did we hit here? Did we get as far as a 6? We hit the 5.8, which is right there at that resistance. You see, this is why I love those GAN fans so much. They show the resistance over time. We hit that fib right there and bounce back. So if we can break through that area to like 6.0, did we actually hit 6.0? No, we hit, I think it was 58. So we didn't actually hit 0.0060. We hit like 0.0058. Let's see what it looks like on the crypto.com if they list that on here. It doesn't look like they do. Or if they do, it's not Tether. Okay, yeah, it's just not Tether. Okay, yeah, it just hit that resistance and bounced back. So, that's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. Okay. Let me go back to the chat here. KB, hit the like button. How many y'all got in your bag? I only have about 134K. I think Mr. Prospect, Mr. Forsyth posted something. I'm definitely a shark out here. And you have to go to his Twitter to figure out what that means. Let's see here. Kurt Dahl, let's freaking go. Marius Pona. Marius Pona. I'm on about 900K ZBCN. Let's go. And E says it's already on futures. Where is it on futures, E? MR Streets. Been watching and accumulating bit by bit for months. I wish I aped in. That's how it always ends up being, man. That's how it always ends up being. You wish that you aped in, right? This one, when I saw it, I definitely aped in. I aped in, bro. Nick the Greek, hell yeah. Will there be a pullback coming? I don't think so. Like after this, I don't know, man. I really don't know. It seems to run kind of a little inverse of Bitcoin. So maybe if Bitcoin's going up, this will go down. But I don't know at this point. The community's got this, man, and it's going. It's going. Um, I don't know if we get too many more pullbacks, bro. We just had one, really. First time listening, welcome. Definitely like and subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, I saw that Elon leaving Trump's position. I saw that. Let's go. Yeah, we're killing it out here. Sup, Rue? What's up, Dreamer? What's up, Creative Mary Mac? Uber should pay me in ZBCN. Yes, Creative Mary Mac. I referenced you in the video. I don't know if it was I think it was the last video me and Max did. I knew somebody said something about Uber paying them, right? So definitely check out that video. I referenced you. I just didn't know the username. What's up, Creative Mary Mike? ZBCN live futures trading on Bing X. Do you know if those are perpetual E? Because the perpetual ones are the good ones. That's what we're trading in BTCC. So definitely check out the QR code, and you can get free USDT if you fund your account there. So definitely check that out. How about the upcoming token unlocks? Does this have any effect on the price? It hasn't so far because they've had token unlocks like every month, and it hasn't seemed to make too much of a dent in the price. Don't take my word for it. Definitely do your own research. But they've had token unlocks every month, and where are we right now? Where are we right now? Right? So definitely check that out, and So I don't think they've had much effect on the price at all. I'll say this, Zebec to 50 Cent, who agrees with me. Hit her all day. Let's go. ISO coming. Yep, that's another catalyst. ISO on XPR. Let's go. Skills to the Max X. What's up? The Crypto Crossroads show. Let's go. Let me highlight the Crypto Crossroads show and his channel. Definitely check out his channel. He's been on Lightlink. All right. He's been on Lightlink. I think this is it. This is probably his channel here. There we go. Oh, Lightlink playlist, man. That's cool. Definitely check him out if you haven't already. And again, if you're just looking at 151 subscribers, just know he just started his channel like 2 months ago. So I can personally vouch for this guy's information because he's in our Telegram and he's giving me great information. So if you guys, if you guys are looking at that, you're not looking at the right thing. I can assure you that. Shout out to Crypto Crossroads show. Bro's channel is growing and I'm loving to see it. Hey, you're gonna see something with us coming soon. That's all I'm saying. Let's go down here. What's the news? Something is going on. It's going to go way past 5 cents. What's up, Mark Thompson? MEXC finally pumped, but selling that for more Zebec network. Or what's that? MX. Okay, yeah, MX. MXC finally pumped, but I'm selling that for more Zebec 100%. How much is the airdrop on Uphold? We don't know yet. They haven't really officially announced anything. They just told us it's coming. Envy, is there news on the airdrop? Nope, no news on that yet. Next mirrored XRP. Get in where you fit in. What's up, Crypto Clay? What's up, Crypto Family? Zebec, let's go. What's up, Guanaku Flow. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Holy crap, it's pumping, guys. And definitely we hit this, but we're going to read it again. Thank you for all your amazing Zebec content. Zebec content. Have a 20 spot from the Mickle Mafia. Let's go. Let's go. 68K plus. We might as well say 69K ZBCN wallets as of now. You can see the buys and sells on Dex Tool. That's a great talk there. Appreciate it. I'm Negan. Love that. Walking Dead there. You think it'll pull back after some time? No, man. I think you got to get in where you fit in, like somebody said earlier. Shout out to guy I was talking to about this. He bought on a dip and was very happy. You got to buy on all dips, really. If you're wanting to get more, like, hey, if it dips, you buy. Not financial advice or anything. Blur Ninja, Zebec, let's go. FTW, Phantom Beat, I bet all y'all, nah. I don't know about that Phantom Beat. While it has we talked about the wallets. What's up, Shook Focus Digital? Definitely, we were highlighting Shook here. Let's go ahead. Or we were highlighting Crypto Crossroads Show. Let's highlight Shook Focus here. Again, I was telling you guys we did a Spaces a little bit ago. And Shook just went live tonight. So definitely go check him out. If you haven't already, you see his channel here. And definitely if you go down to my channel, you'll see Shook and other channels here, which I support. Underdog, Shook, Max, Moon, the Mooniverse, Crypto, Gentleman of Crypto, NYC Odd App, Simon Family Investments, Benzinga Crypto, One-on-One Media, Crypto Future, and the Ronin Experience, guys. Don't worry about pullbacks, family. Zebec is solid. DCA on the reds and just keep stacking. Yeah. Getting close to sixes. Let's see. I try to spread the word to family and coworkers, but they don't listen. I feel you, bro. But people started listening to me when I was showing them. Okay, look at this. They're okay. So how do I? What do I? What do I do? What app is that again? When I started pointing and showing. Oh, what is that again? What app is that? How do I? Oh my goodness. Look at, do you see this? You see, okay, so how do I? Oh my goodness. Same here. Family and friends don't listen to me either. Hit the likes for a guy. We should have 200 likes by now. Come on. Still early. What's up, Jose Rojas? Yep. Oh, is he being to $3? I don't know about that, Jose. Trick Turner. Trick Turner. I got my coworkers on ZBCN and we're all happy. Coworkers just don't get it. Yep. Oh, nice. So I'm quite behind here on the comments. Everyone follow Jetpack. Definitely follow Jetpack. Join him for the best content on the webs. Him, Rue, Max. Let's go. Woo, let's go. Show the ZBCN chart. Okay, we did show that. What's up, Max in the house? I hope you guys are enjoying the collaborations. We're studying improving the sound. I got some mic clamps coming to further improve the sound. Thank you, E, for the $20 super chat. What's up, Rue Crew? Smash that like for Rue. Let's go, ZBCN. Boom. E knows what's up. I try to tell my coworkers, yep, try to tell them, bro. But I know one person I was speaking to was like, because they put $600 in, they were like, it's over 2,000. What happened? I told you. Told you. Let's see. Jose Rojas, I'm looking. Yep. Hello from Australia. Oh man, Australia, man. That's one of the places I definitely want to visit, bro. I want to visit so much. I was looking at something like there's some type of dunes that we're looking up, the Cervantes dunes or something in Australia. And then I want to visit New Zealand too. Oh man, yeah, I really want to visit down under down there. I can't miss out on these super chats. For your boy Rue, let's go fam. We making too much money not to shoot our boy some love. Thank you for that, E. You too, if you guys want to hit and grab a decent wallet for yourself, that's another way to help you and I, right? Resist tyranny. Let's go. We are in price discovery. TNT tomorrow's news today. We ain't seen nothing yet. Y'all hold or hodl. MR streets in these streets. Shout out to Coach Greg Adams. He has like he has his soundboard, and I don't know what girl's saying it, but she's always like he always plays in this like in these streets. It's so funny, bro. 777 watching. Gotta love that. Jackpot. Nick the Greek, you should get yourself a share. Yep, that's what I got. I got for me and Max, I have a share. I have a Shure M7 or MV7. I do, and it is plug and play. But now I got a mic a mic boom so it can hang under and we can talk there. Let's see here. Okay, Julia is a sleeping giant. Okay, I have to check into that HBCU maker. They just partnered with Zebec. Hey, crypto family, what's up, a guy? Best way to show love, we eating and we up. Root crew all the way up, climbing. Let's go, fam. Hit the like and them super chats. Let's go, love it. Zebec is a beast, buying to 1 cent. What's up, Juan Castaneda? What's up? What's up, Rue? Awesome channel, brother. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Crypto Life. Zebec. ZBCN is a beast. I'm buying till it hits 1 cent. There you go. Let's see here. What's good, Jetpack? Is you to go. I'm up over 400%. Let's go. What's up, Anthony Hall? Ain't no party like a Rue Crew party. Let's go. Sean Howard in here too as well. Zebec pumping. Let's go. Zero. It'll hit 10 cent no time. That's a beast. Japan buying. Salute Shook. Guanaku Flow. Shook Live 2. Oh, Crypto Clay, did you hit another one, bro? Wow. Crypto Clay is like the sponsor of the channel right now for today with like $40 in, bro. Appreciate you. Best way to show love, the super chat. Thank you, Rue and Max and Jetpack. Let's go. Thank you, Clay. Really appreciate it. Let's see. Miss Doge, XRP, and Shiv. Here's your second, third, fourth chance. Nah, it's not gonna dump, Driftwood. Not gonna dump. It already had its chance to, and it just picked right back up, bro. It already had its chance to. It went down to the 3.8 area, the 38 area, and went right back up. So it had its chance if it wanted to, but it didn't. So, yeah. Let's see here. Nah. It's not dumping. If it wanted to, it should have. And let's take a look at the chart here one more time. Especially on the 12-hour, it's still turning around on the 12-hour. On a day chart, it seems like it should come down, but it's not. I don't know. You got that area on the day chart, but it's just so buzzing right now. On the 12, it looks like it's ready to come back up as far as the stochastic is concerned. It looks like it wants to go even higher. So, hey, maybe it goes higher and it fills this whole green up to like 8.008. It looks like it wants to fill this entire green. So, could it do that? We shall see. We shall see. Yeah, and you can see on the 8, it is rounding back around here on the stochastic. And then if you see the 4, okay, so on the 4, it looks a little, like it's ready to come back down a little bit. But again, you can go to the 8, see like it's ready to round right back up. So there we go. We shall see. We shall see. But that was good. That was good what we had tonight. It going up to 0.0058. And they keep hitting us with news. So the future is bright. The future is really, really bright to me here, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Joseph Yanni, Zebec can be used in casinos in multiple ways, from employee to player payouts. Looking forward to that one day. Ooh, that's a good idea there. That's a good idea there. Somebody should get that to Zebec. Send it E. We're way up because of these two guys. The least I can do. Sup E, and Rue and I gave a shout out to you in our recent videos. Yeah, we gave E a shout out. That's right. We certainly did. What's up, Johnny? Never mind. It just hit 0.06. I think you mean 0.006. Pump. E with another $20 super chat. Wow, E. Appreciate it, brother. Niggas are back in Web3 gaming. Wow, see, that's what I'm thinking about, Crypto Clay. And that's why I made this mind map, which will hit you with right here. And I proposed that maybe these two partner up. They got some of the matching stuff. Scale we have here. Winklevoss Capital. Zebec is partnered with Gemini. We know the Winklevoss twins run Gemini. We got Coinbase, which I don't show here. Coinbase Ventures, is an investor in Circle. We know Boost VC is Tim Draper's son's venture capital thing. So we got Boost VC, which has interest in Coinbase and also interest in Gemini. They share partners there. They share partners with you got Epic Games here. We got Scale in the Epic Game Store. They have games on the Epic Game Store. We got BlackRock, Fidelity, Franklin Templeton, and Lightspeed all there with Epic. And they're also all they're there with Circle, but Lightspeed's directly partnered with Zebec. So there's a lot here. There's a lot here in which we could see Scale and Zebec one day be partners. I really think that's a real easy one. Come on to sail away to gains. What's up, Cloud99? What's up, Shook Focus with the $5 super chat? Absolutely equipment costs. I appreciate that, brother. Okay, let's see here. ZBCN community is crazy. This project might as well the markets. What do you know about Hotland Miami, Rue? You know what? Max put this up here one time. We were collaborating. So this is Max's Hotline Miami one. What's up, Esco 215? This gives me GameStop vibes. Yeah, it does the way it's pumping. Crypto Clay, we in here, bruh. I love it. I love it. E. Okay, yep. We had no sound there for a second. Okay, yep. No sound. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay. Yep. I'm just gonna skip all of those. Okay. We eventually got it. Okay, what's up, Michael Anthony? Clove look like the major support. The company also raised 2025 guidance forecasting insurance revenue. Okay, Clove, we'll have to check that out. Okay, there we go. All right, we're back on here. Dario Garcia, I'm late to the live. Why are we pumping? Well, it tends to be every time I go live, we start pumping. That's crazy. But yeah, it seems like that's a catalyst or whatever. I don't know. But let's keep going. Okay, here we go. Thanks, Ray Rodriguez. Thank you, Bill Guetta. We're good. What's up, Nerdy? Nerdy in the house. Nerdy X 90. Hey, F the FUD. ZBCN is making moves up 30% from FUDville. Yeah, and there was one guy out there FUDing. I think his name was like Dumbcock or something like that. Domcock. I don't know, but bro needs to chill. But we took his FUD and we went to new all-time high. So now what? Now what, Futter? Adrian 2323 Rocket Time. I have one ZN token. When all said is done, I'll have $1. What's up, Zebec fan? Okay, got you. I think you're just kidding around there. 0.6 is 0.006 is here. Now I'll reconsider where we can go short term. 30 cents. It can happen. Shit. XRP went to I don't know if y'all know that Clay Davis from The Wire, where he's like, shit. 3.84 in 2017. Hope y'all appreciate the little fun we're having with that. With way less people into crypto, think millions, if not billions more. That's a great point, Johnny. Never mind. And again, brother Kevon is engaged the Twitter crowd, which I just didn't think we could get, or not the Twitter crowd, the TikTok crowd. I just didn't think the TikTok crowd would listen for more than like 30 seconds, but he has them engaged. We have the people engaged in YouTube. We got the people engaged on Twitter here. It's starting to look really, really good out here, guys. I mean, it was starting to look really good. Now it's looking great to outstanding, amazing, exceeds expectations. Outstanding out here, like for real, like all the verbs, all the adjectives, all of them. What's up, Blur Ninja? We have all the people empowered to make millionaires, 100%. Holy crap, Nerdy in the chat. Okay. Matt and Larry connection, no audio. Okay, we got the audio taken care of. Let me get down. What's up, Gary Dillingham? I don't think a lot of people realize how big this concept of payment with ZBCN was. It is. It's huge, man. And I was telling people like for a while, with the new administration, payment is going to be the way to go, and it has been. Now watch. Now we got not only payment, we got payroll. Oh man. And again, like shout out Creative Mary Mac. I think they're gonna hit these Uber drivers first. Like, honestly, guys, do yourselves a favor and watch the latest this video by me and Max here, the Super ZBCN Super app. You'll understand how it could possibly work with Uber. Okay, like, do yourselves a favor and watch that. Okay, you really would like to do yourselves a favor and watch that one. Okay, let's see. Black Trip, I hear you just fine. Okay. DJ got bands. Somebody still thinking about the monies. Oh my God. Block Trip. That I gotta start that, bro. I gotta start that, bro. Oh my God. Hilarious, bro. Oh man, that's good. That's good right there, bro. Okay, let's see here. Shout out, what's up, Anthony William? What's up, Soul Flow Pepe? And we thought we got another dip. We get another dip to 30. Yeah, right. I honestly thought we were going to go lower than 38. I thought we might have hit the 0.002423 area. I saw, shout out to the Block Bull. I saw him do some good TA on this, and I think he was thinking also that we get down to the 2.002 ish area too, but we never got there. Shout out to him. He did some really pretty good TA on this. CC Doom Flash, the Zebec. The back going. The back going. I like that. Has begun. Let's see here. Chaka Bartles, what's up? Content creators going to go crazy on Zebec tomorrow. 100%. You know she's happy as if her bags are pumping. 100%. What's up, Big Crypto Nate? There was no news. We just went live. It just decided to pump. I don't know. Crazy. Gonna go up and down because Wells will sell and buyback in is gonna move regardless. Yeah, I definitely think where we at right now, I definitely think we hit that 5 cent mark. No question. Not financial advice or anything like that. But with the way that the community has just grabbed this, we have not only do we have the hype, right? We got the research, we got the utility, and we got the PR. ZBCN is paying attention, and they're providing us with news daily. Like, you can't ask for more than this, right? You just really can't. Cloud 99 is pumping. Big Papa Marcel, really good work, Ruel. Keep it up. I appreciate that, bro. Moonshot cometh. Detroit 313. Salutations. Appreciate it, brother. Another Detroiter in the house. Zebec is the right utility at the right time. 20 cents can do it. This is just to be, we got that. It's going to 30 cents by the end of the year. Now $1 is inevitable. Okay, gotcha. Zebec, right place, the right time. Anthony Hall is creeping into the top 100. Are we creeping into the top 100? That's crazy. Let me see here. Let me refresh. You might be creeping into the top 100, y'all. Let's see. Let's check it out. Why don't we? This is an amazing thing to be about and be around, man. I'm just gonna be so excited to what this does for so many people's like pockets, right? We're definitely gonna have that meetup. Where's D Black at? Where's D Black at? We definitely have that meetup. I know he put up another good member of the community to watch, right? Will we have a Zebec 1 cent meetup or a dollar meetup? Hey, we might have to have that 5 cent to 10 cent meetup, right? Let's see here. Okay, yeah, we're really dangerously close. We're definitely on page 2 here. So yeah, we're right in this area. Oh, okay. We should be. Okay, there we go. 139. That's crazy, bro. Look at that. 7 days up 118%. Craziness, bro. And a sea of red. Look at that. Just look at that. Look at that. Just crazy, man. That's awesome. Lots of good stuff being put out. Peace, peace, peace. Hey, Ruel, let's see. Okay, there we go. What's up? I'm missing something. Okay, we got the sound back here. XRP, same with the same. Went to $3.84 from 0.005 in 2017 when crypto was a baby, compared to 3 trillion invested now in crypto. Back in 2017, we could do the same thing. That would be amazing, man. If we did that and we went to like 3, oh, that's crazy, bro. Like, I don't know if y'all could contain me out here, bro. Like, I don't know if y'all would be able to contain me coming on these crypto streets if we went to $3.84. I don't think there would be any containing me in these crypto streets. Like seriously. Could there be a Binance? Hey, it could be. That's a good thought, Cloud, because they did say something is happening over on the pond or whatever like that. Could be a Binance listing. Could be. Maybe. Let me see. Let's bring it up here. Remember, they told us. And I missed Brother Cavell's message there. I showed it briefly. But yeah, here it is. Something's brewing across the pond. So we got something going on there. Just want to highlight him again. Definitely follow him on Twitter if you guys haven't already. Bro's been doing a great job spreading this around on the TikTok. He's one of the first people I've seen that's like spread it around on there. Shout out to Jetpack for bringing it, Cavell to my attention. Definitely follow him if you guys haven't already. Keith and Chief. Cheers, Ruel Black Crypto Root Podcast. Loving these Zebec pumps. E-dubs. Ruel hopped over after Rob's live tonight. Shout out to Crypto Future. Glad to see the community supporting each other. ZBCN is going to rock it leading up to the rest of retail. Glad to see Max in here too. Let's freaking go. Binance listing, Coinbase listing, interest rate cut, MT liquidity building. What if I find amusing is how a coin like ZBCN that has the same supply as XRP and has almost the same demand as XRP is predicted to get to 5 cents this bull on. Meanwhile, Coins like Filecoin reach a dollar. Well, there's yeah, I know what you mean by that. I really know what you mean by that. It's crazy. It's crazy. Um, but you know what? The more people find out about ZBCN, hey, maybe that's us. Maybe that's us. Very, very soon. Definitely achievable. 96 million in 24-hour volume. That's crazy. Thank you for that, Tony S. Gotta start that. That's crazy. Zebec to 0.007 overnight. It has the ability, man. It has the ability. It has the ability. Hey, we could see it. We could see it tonight. Looks like it's rounding back up to do it. Hey, we shall see. HSBC Bank? Ooh. Are you saying HSBC Bank is buying? Is that what you're saying, Tony S? Oh man, Japan is buying. Are you? Oh man, that'd be crazy, bro. Oh, that'll be crazy. Is Japan buying? Hey, maybe they are buying right now, man. Oh, that's awesome, bro. That's awesome. What's up, Soothing Music? What's up, Asia? Did good pronouncing my name. Awesome. Warren Cybrant. I hope I got it correct, bro. I shall speed life. Zebec top crypto, spread it out. Daniel R. Smith. Zebec was easy money. Thank you. Relax and meditate. Zebec and ADP podcast was fire. Good utility as well. Thoughts on selling some XCN to buy Zebec? That's up to you, man. I'm not a financial advisor. I like both projects, and they have some things in common. Like I did the Kevin Hart phase, bro. Let me see here. I also did a mind map on XCN, which nobody really cared about because everybody's looking for the ZBCN content. But let me bring it up here. So, we got DCG, which we know is invested in XRP, Ondo, HBAR, and World Liberty Financial with XCN. And me and Shook Focus kind of talked about this in our spaces, which you definitely want to go on my channel and check out the spaces because Shook really connected a lot of stuff with XCN to Zebec. So definitely check out that spaces. There's a whole bunch of alpha in there. Okay? A whole bunch of alpha in there. And we see this. Nobody talks about this group, SV Angel, but they're investing in Coinbase, OpenAI, Stripe, Square, and Meta. And they're partnered with XCN, along with Visa, along with 500, which we know both of them are partnered with Zebec, Pantera Capital, NASDAQ, Citi, Khosla, Fiserv, and Chain. Okay? And with Citi Ventures, they got this nondescript named company called Digital Asset, which every big company is in on. It's crazy. And nobody talks about this digital asset. Every big company is in on it. It's like, oh, we think crypto is this thing that the big companies don't care about. Oh, they do. Oh, they do. Look at this thing, bro. Digital asset. So we're going to look at first. Let's look at its website. Delivering synchronized finance. Join the world's largest blockchain ecosystem for real-world assets. So they're already getting together to tokenize, synchronize, and mobilize. I can see Zebec feeding right into this. Look at this. Look at this. 262 million. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Samsung, SBI. We just got through talking about SBI, right? Accenture. Like everybody who's everybody. IBM, DTCC, Amaro, PNC, IBM again, right? Salesforce. Anybody who's anybody is just partnered up to do this digital asset. So, and this company, through Citi, is invested in XCN. So, you have to make your own choice there. I'm invested in both. I'm not really selling my XCN, but that's something you have to decide for yourself there. I like both. I can't really say. I made 200% and left. No way. Well, I can understand why you would do that, Kevin. Can't never go around and take profits, but I still feel confident in my 5 cent prediction there, or price target. Excuse me, price target. Best believe. There we go. The Indigo saying, best believe it was Blackrue Investing. Our profits is what we manifesting. Let's go. Thank you, Bybit, for that 0.0007 dip. Got my bag loaded. Yeah, that dip was from White Rock, actually. White Rock. They did that to us. Let's see. ZBCN is the hottest crypto. Congrats to everyone here. Yep. Newman Lord, this reminds me of Casper's run too. That's exactly why I use Casper as an example with the market cap of a, right? So let me bring that back for a second. So Casper, right? Remember, it's not a one-to-one. We already know. Thank you, Zach Rector, for that. We played it like 2 times, so Zach got some extra run there. Fair use and all of that. And he's a member of the community too, because he's sharing out ZBCN stuff, so he's helping us. So shout out to him. So right now, Cass is at 10 cents. But in its bull run, which if we bring it up in 2024, let me give her some indicators. It went to 20 cents. So again, right now, right? It went to double of whatever it is right now in 2024. So if we go back, where was it? Okay, if we go back, so double would be around the 5 million mark, or 5 billion, 5 billion mark, which would put us well over our price target. That'll put us at like 6 cents. So if you double this would be like 6.6 cents. So I really think we're not financial advice, just my own what I'm doing, my own personal portfolio, my own personal price target. I really think the 6 cents or 5 cents we're there. We're there for sure, for sure. You know, in my opinion, not financial advice. Um, hit that billion market cap. Yeah, we're almost there, man. Antonio Folk, when the rest of the market dumps, ZBCN always pumps. I've noticed that too. I've really noticed that too. LM 0.0058 incoming. I'm buying more when I get paid. Hopefully it's still cheap. Thank you for the $5 super chat. Pharmacopoeia. Keep the late night streaming. It helps me sleep at night. Appreciate that. What's up, Two Moons? What's up, Dina? How you doing? Appreciate you coming through. What's the Zebec news? We just went over it. You have to go back B fields, but I'll just show you right quick. We had them say that something's happening over in the pond. And could that be that Japan's buying? Maybe Japan is buying right now. But they seem to foreshadow a little bit something is brewing. Something is brewing across the pond. And then they give us the English Earl Grey, if you will, there. The English flag, okay? So what is happening? What's happening? Okay, so if they're giving us the English flag and the English tea, it has to be something in England, right? We would have to think, right? Of course, Japan could still be buying, but what is happening in England? Does anyone know? I'm between the pufferfish and the dolphin, Rue. Oh yeah, what's up, Hugo Gutierrez? Yeah. This is from Mr. Forsyth's. Let me see if I can bring that up right quick. His Twitter page. He did something where he had like, which one are you? Yeah. Like, what's your how much Ripple or how much ZBCN you have? I know I'm like probably giving people like seizures right now. Sorry about that by like scrolling through this like this. Um, I can't find it. Okay, if somebody wants to retweet it to me right quick, I can bring it up here. Oh, there we go. So, oh, I said that I was a shark. I'm not a shark. I'm not a shark. I said that I was a shark. I misread it. Um, yeah, I'm not a shark. I'm not a shark. Okay, I am not a shark. I misread the thing, bro. I misread it. Puffer fish. Where's the puffer fish? Oh, is this a different one? You said between a puffer fish and a stingray? Oh, okay, got you. Got you. So yeah, let me go ahead and retweet. Oh, I already retweeted it. Let me. How can I do it? Okay, this is what we'll do. Down. Okay. Um, where are we at here? Bully Assassin. It's futures on, okay, Biofin. That's right, on Biofin. Yep. Any speculative thoughts on Uphold? Um, will airdrop. Doug Simpson, not sure when it's going to be. They said that it would be in June. Um, we'll just wait and see. But of course, the more ZBCN you have, the more you get in the airdrop. And I showed you guys, right? With we went and showed you, just for people who might be new. We went and showed you. They did a airdrop with Corium. Okay, I'm not gonna go over the whole show again, but I'm gonna show you where Corium. So with their airdrop with Corium, this is what happened. They announced it. Is this right? Yeah, they announced it in December. So they announced it like right around. I think I'm right here. Here, let me just bring it up. Gosh darn it. Corium. Uphold airdrop. Since people are wondering, we can do this again. We can do this again. So when did they give the information on this? Okay, so they took the snapshot on March 24th. Was it really that far back? Yeah, I guess so. Okay, yep. March 24th, 2023. Okay, so okay, yeah, so then it's back here. That's it. That's right. So they announced it in December. So the price was down here. Let me take a. So the price was like. Oh no, I'd already done it. Okay, so here it is. Let me get rid of that. So here was the price. They announced it in December. Okay, so the price was here at 22 cents. And then you saw in March the 24th is when they ended. So it ran from the announcement all the way up to 80 something cents. So we're seeing something right now very, very similar. And we haven't even gotten an official announcement yet. We just had them telegraph it, you know. When we get the official announcement, maybe we'll even go even higher. But they posted this like on the Medium page, and then it went from 20 something cents all the way up to 86 cents. Okay, so maybe we see something even bigger. Garrett Tatsumi. Tatsumi. Well, you're the man, Ruel. Thanks for your comment. Appreciate it, brother. That's a great amount. Luck. Oh man. I'm really gonna not butcher your last name. Luck V. What's going on? Luck. Let's go. ZBCN. Zebec gets 100K new holders a day. Forget 0.003. Wow. Florence, I saw something about the airdrop on X from them. I haven't seen anything yet. Let's go double check that. I haven't seen anything yet. Yeah, nothing yet. Nothing yet. And we can check upholds too. Okay, they're bringing the staking back, they're saying, but I don't see anything about. Yeah, so nothing yet. Nothing yet. Big Papa Marcel, I see 12 cents. ZBCN this cycle. June 2nd. Okay, I haven't heard that. Florence, maybe. Is it too late to get in? You have to decide that for yourself. But again, if I think, me personally, I'm thinking 5 cents. Then that's a 10x from here. So it's up to you. Anything under 0.01 is doable, not too late. Call these ZBCN combo. You gotta have the right rule. Let's go. What's up, Creative Control? Zebec being so lucrative and soon to be an easy to stake. Want it all locked up because ZBCN is about to rocket in price. Also, I don't imagine Binance or Coinbase will list before uphold airdrop and staking. That's a good point. That's a good point, Anthony Hall. I don't imagine that either. Crypto Life. Let's go. What's up, Crypto Life? Jess Fernando. Crypto future is the truth. Had us aiming into Zebec months ago at 0.007. Let's go. Dead. Though, where do you buy Zebec? You can buy it on Uphold. You can also buy it on Caleb and Brown. We are Caleb and Brown partners. So if you want to help out the show doing it, doing something that you're going to do anyway, Caleb and Brown delivers a personalized premium service to crypto trading. Each customer gets their own dedicated broker to contact anytime, getting the latest insights on crypto trends and guidance when you need it. I highly recommend Caleb and Brown. Check these guys out. Of course, you can get it there on Uphold. You can get it on Caleb and Brown. You can also get it on the Jupiter exchange. Loving your content too. Appreciate it. Anthony Hall, buy on Uphold and hold and stake until the updrop. Well, that you could do that as well. Cool, thank you. I'm gonna sell my it's $1. What's up, Bugatti? Upcoming catalyst. You haven't missed one possible June airdrop, 2 possible Binance or Coinbase listing, ISO compliance, and possible Ripple partnership. Thank you for that. What's up, Erica Hadera? It has been a while. Peekaboo, long time no see. What is up? It's definitely been a while. Appreciate you coming through. Holding 100K ZBCN. Hoping to get more before 1 cent. 100%. Bald guy reacts. Got to represent for the Jordan-ish guys out there, if you will. What's the airdrop snapshot? The snapshot is when they take who all is qualifying for the airdrop. We take a snapshot. Okay, and once that snapshot is made, anybody who meets the criteria, you guys get the airdrop. So that's what a snapshot means. So what we're looking at right here is when they were saying the snapshot was for all people who are going to qualify for the Corium airdrop. Okay. And they usually do it in UTC because, programmers use UTC It's a universal time. UTC is usually when they do all snapshots in UTC time. Let's add an interest rate cut. Yep, that's another one. Damn, bro, Rue is all overtime tonight. Best y'all can do is press that like button. 100%. Florence from New Zealand. Oh, another place I really want to visit. Oh man, I was looking. If you ever watched the TV show Yellow Jackets, a lot of those actors are from New Zealand, and they're like, oh, I forget. There's a indigenous people there. I can't remember their name, but one of the actresses, she was part. Oh, now I'm not gonna be able to remember it, but yeah, I definitely want to visit New Zealand one of these days. Perhaps institutions are buying up ZBCN in the daily pump, or we can look forward to massive ballistic green candle when they do. And again, remember, ZBCN is an American cryptocurrency, so zero capital gains tax may also be in play. That's just crazy to think about. So imagine you get whatever you get from ZBCN, right? You know, you get 6 figures, you get 7 figures, right? Or you get 5 figures, not taxed, because it's an American cryptocurrency. Gotta love that, bro. Gotta love that. B feels about ZBCN back in March after seeing Max and Crypto Hawk show. Oh, Crypto Hawk's talking about it too? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Shout out to him. Crypto Cloud 99, 5 interest rate cuts added. I left and he's going. Can you repeat what I missed in 2 hours, please? Scott Tapper, got to give a shout out to lead captain OG, first to cover Zebec and help us get on board. Zebec, let's go. Yeah, I'm not sure. I guess if he is, I don't know. I heard about it from E. Shout out to E. I think he heard about it from Shook Focus, and you know, we definitely love Shook Focus around here. Let's definitely go to Shook Focus's content, and of course we love Shook Crypto Future as well. And Max and all the people we have in this list here. But I know Shook did a video on it here. Not sure when here. You guys definitely want to check that out. 3 months ago, I can't remember when my first video was. I know I said I was going to look into it. I didn't get a chance to until sometime after this. So I don't know who was first, but you know, hey, everybody's pushing it now, and that's the really important thing. I know a lot of people on my channel, I look at like the metrics and the Patreon stuff, or the metrics on the channel, and I know people look at Lee the Captain. So, you know, shout out to him for talking about it too. Scott, you're dead correct. Lee was on it. Lee was the first to cover. Hey, shout out to Lee. Julian, my target is $1. Let's see what happens once we get there. It's just the beginning. Dipping to point. I don't know about that. Nice to see you win another one, cause we'll see what's up. What's up, home, bro? 4206. We fixing to the moon on ZBCN. Gotta love it. Jose de la Torre. I just heard MC Hammer and ZBCN popping at the same time. Oh man, you must have watched that one show. A guy at work was calling MC Hammer a one-hit wonder, bro, and I just lost it. I lost it, bro. Plus, he's a young guy too. I'm like, what are you? Bro, you weren't even alive when MC Hammer first started his career, bro. What are you talking about? You have no idea what you're talking about. Now he's a one-hit wonder, right? Like, yeah, I don't have enough patience for this today, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh, ain't no powder to buy more, but if I did, I'd buy that dip. I'm not gonna go back to 0.003. And shout out to you, MC Hammer. I know you're in these crypto streets. I had to protect your honor that time, bro. I was just like, come on, bro, come on. Man has 2 platinum records. Don't get me started on MC Hammer again, bro. Jose Del Torre, don't get me started on Hammer again, bro. I'm officially in the ZBCN Millie Club. Let's go, Paul Andrew. I know exactly what that means. He's in the 20. Okay, yeah, in the Millie Club. Let's go. Fam, check deck school so you can see ZBCN buys and sales. Let's go. That. So, Homebro thinks it's going to go to a 0.0127. Thank you for the update on ZBCN. Gate 1111. Buy more ZBCN and bet. Mark Thompson with the direction crypto is going. ZBCN has the potential to be worth triple digits, if not more, before you know it. Getting in now is an awesome opportunity. Hey, could it do what XRP did? Maybe, man. I'm thoroughly in the camp that maybe it can now. Again, yeah, we have so many more crypto investors than we did back in 2017. We got Twitter, we got TikTok, we got Instagram, we got YouTube. Man, it's just way more avenues to get the word out. Shout out to Ruth for showing I got some love. Get the likes up, fam. We bout that ZBCN life. We bout that life, y'all. Oh man, you killing me, bro. I tell people ZBCN is XRP ADP equivalent for payroll. I think that's a great way to put it, E. Let me start that comment. The XRP ADP equivalent for payroll. I like that, fam. We up. Nice way to put it there, E. Got to start that one. We get into the right crypto with real world utility is an awesome opportunity. Now is the time. 100%. Mark Thompson. We wanted to fill up the fair gap all the way up. JSK. You're the man, Rue. Seeing you ride ZBCN down these live streams. Follow back on X. 100%, bro. I got you. Let's follow you right now, bro. Hopefully. Okay, I'll find you and follow you, bro. Yeah, send me a message so I know to follow you, because I'm clearly not seeing it here. I don't know. But yeah, I got you, bro. FYI, GameStop bought BTC. Yeah, that was some big news today. Hey, Rue, how about we have our own ZBC in Vegas? Hey, man, I'm not too far from Vegas. Probably can get it. I'll work on the rooms, accommodations, rates for the community. Seriously, yeah. Hey, man, that's something to consider. That is definitely something to consider. Yeah, man. Let's talk. Let's talk about it as we get closer. Let's talk about it. Yeah. Because, yeah, we definitely have to have some security there. You know, we don't want anybody to think they're catching the sleeping. So, yeah, we have to talk about that, bro. 0.00585. Are we back to 0.00585? Let me get the chart back up here. Look at that, bro. That's crazy. Wow. Yeah, it's filling it right back up. Look like we're gonna have those 3 soldier candles again. Wow. Let's go. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Oh, that's so great. Look at that. Yeah, we're hitting 6. We're hitting 6. I think we already hit 6. We're breaking through 6 tonight, bro. It's happening. Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy, bro. Oh my goodness. I know somebody had the name I Show Speed Life. I feel like Speed right now, bro. I feel like that right now. Oh my goodness. This is so mad, bro. This is crazy. Watching this real time is just bananas, bro. I'm not gonna say it, but that's hilarious. I'm gonna star that. I'm gonna star that. Johnny, never mind. I'm gonna star that. That's hilarious, bro. It has to be the case. Is that true? Some institution just brought 136 million. Okay, and that number 136, and they say whenever you put a one in front of something, it makes it more powerful, right? So the nine, and then of course we know 136. So one and the 3 and the 6 is a 9. 1 and 9, alpha and omega, beginning and the end. The year of the snake. It is, I believe, right now, which the Aurora Boreals. You can think of that representing the beginning of it and the end. A snake that's eating its own tail, right? So, very interesting. Very interesting. That's a sign if I ever did see one, right? Cherry Bun, if I think if it was one of them, they would have bought more. But whoever the whale is, they must have seen or known something. Like, yeah, Midas Gold hit on something. Let me see if I can find that post again. I had it pulled up here, but I looked at so much stuff tonight, so I should keep stuff and open up new tabs. But let's go to Midas's page right quick. I think that's a sweet name too, by the way, Midas Gold. Okay, this post. $134K approximately. Huge players coming into ZBCN, and this was 10 hours ago. Another order placed for 27 million. Okay. F. So I think E just told us on the DEX tools we could find out ZBCN inflows. I've never tried it, but I'll try to see if we can. With it. I use Dex tools, but not too much. Let's see, ZBCN. Okay, I'm not sure which one here. I guess just this one then. I'm not sure which one we're supposed to pick here. I'm going to just pick this and see what's up. Okay, let's see. Yeah, and I think it's just for this pair, ZBCN and Soul. But pair I want is like, let me see, ZBCN USDC. That's what I want. Yeah, or USDT maybe. 'Cause USDT would be overseas, right? Yeah, I don't know how to use this properly. Yeah, a lot of infos here. Yeah. Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing with this properly, so I'm just gonna leave it be. But it definitely seems like there's a lot of buys on this USDC side. But yeah, that's interesting. Let's see. Let's run that back. Did someone really buy 136 million tonight? It has to be a major one listing coming up. Can I get a response to this question? I don't know, man. I don't know. I can try to see it. I can try to see if we can find it on Twitter. 136. Okay. Let me try with this one. 136. Okay, there we go. Was that you, Joshua? Oh, oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. They found it on SoulScan. Somebody did. That's crazy, bro. Oh my god. Okay, let's see if we can find that then. Was that today? Oh, that's crazy. Wait, wait, wait. Wait a minute, bro. Oh, that's so crazy. Okay, we got to quote tweet that so everybody else can spread this around. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy, y'all. Wow. And we're gonna try to see if we can find it though. I'm gonna try to see if I can bring it up. That's crazy talk. That has to be an exchange, and they telegraphed it to us. They could have bought it in pieces, so they kind of wanted us to know that. Whoever did that wanted us to know. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're gonna do this. That's crazy, bro. Oh man. Alert. That's craziness. Okay. Alert. Come on. You can do it. All right. You only want one. Okay. Whatever. That's crazy, bro. Wow. Okay, now let's see if we can find it. Soul scan. Okay, we're doing it live, bro. We're doing it live. Soul scan. Okay, I can actually do soul scan ZBCN. Okay, we're doing it live. We're doing it live now. Let's see if we can find that. Let's see if we can find that one. Okay, let's go back though. So that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. That's really crazy. Okay, I don't know what's happening now, but wow. Let's see if we can find that, man. Let's see if we can find that. Transactions. I don't know if we let me see. I don't know how to navigate this well enough that we might be able to find it, but I want to try. I'm really gonna try. Uh Transactions. 40 per page. Okay. Let's see. So it seemed like they use a filter. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try this here. Hide the failed ones. Um, do I need to go to analytics maybe? No, we want transactions or transfers. How did they do that? How did they filter it? Okay, actions. Transfer action. DeFi activities. Place order, maybe? Filter. Value. Oh, well, that's a big one. That's a big one. Um, we want value. Okay, let me see what they did that with their filter. Okay, min max. Okay, got it. Okay, got it. I think we got it now. Hold on. I put the wrong thing in. Okay, 100 million. 100 million to 500. Okay. All right. All right. I'm not sure what I'm doing here. Transfers. We'll try that one more time. Can't be too many that are like this. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure how to find it, but that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. I'm not sure how we can find that, but that's crazy. I think we found it. Maybe somebody in the comments knows how. Let me see. I'm gonna scroll all the way down. What, Mr. Super Chat? Get 100 likes. We ain't got 100 likes, guys. Come on now. Let me scroll all the way down to see. Go ahead and transfer. Okay, did we do it? Click amount, not action. Transfers, I think. Okay. Okay, I think we kind of did it here. I don't see 136 like he did. I don't see that anywhere. Yeah, where is that? Where is that transfer? Yeah, it says total transfers. So that should have been transfers. It should be here because it's token. It's that token. I just don't see it. Yeah, I don't see it. And his was posted like an hour ago, so it should have been one of these, which I don't see it anywhere. We do have 2 hours. KuCoin transferred a lot to here, like a whole $1 million worth. Um, yeah, but I don't see the 136 anywhere. So yeah, I don't see that anywhere. Oh, from a couple days ago. Okay, let me see. There it is. 2 days ago. We did find it. Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad for quick not knowing what the heck I was doing. Okay, so it was from a couple of days ago. Whoever this is transferred to whoever that is. System program. Okay, from this point on, I am not. I am lost. I thought that would give me something different. System program. What is this system program? I don't know. I'm kind of from this point on. I'm not sure. If this was a ETH scan, I would be able to know how to read it a little better. But I don't really mess with this one as much. But interesting. Yeah, we found it. We found it. We definitely found it. It's only from 2 days ago. Somebody made that transfer. These two wallets are, well, at least not named like these ones are. There's something here a day ago. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know. But we found it. We found it. There's another from 4 days ago. Got you. Let me check that one. We're doing it live. Okay, let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. There's one here, and there's one here. Wait, is that the same amount? Went from here to here. Okay, X. Okay. Interesting. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure what all of this might mean, right? Um, who could possibly be doing that? What's happening here? Um, it's interesting. It's interesting. It seems like a very, very specific number. I don't know. Maybe someone just, I don't know. Not sure. Not sure. But that's interesting. Okay, so he had me searching myself. I've seen these move boys last 5 years. Okay. Okay, next page we got it. Thank you, David Bierman. We finally got it. We finally got it. Um okay, we finally got it. We finally got it, y'all. Ripple did it. Does anyone have any thought on who might have done this? Does anyone have any ideas on who might have done this transaction? Let's speculate tonight. Blue Raspberry got her rich. I rocked Hammer back then and still rock him to this day. To this day. Have y'all ever seen the Dante Wilder meme where he's like, to this day? Oh man, that meme cracks me up, bro. Let me see if I can find that right quick. Oh, so funny. Let's have a little fun, right? Dante. Let me see if I can like switch it right quick. Hopefully he don't cuss, man. Hopefully he doesn't say any bad words. But we'll see. Present, share screen. Bro was angry, bro.
This day, to this day. to this day. This day.
You know the DeAndre.
Bro was
This day.
upset.
To this day.
Bro was upset. Oh man, to this day, bro. To this day. Ah. Still rock hammer to this day. Oh man, he was upset. He was livid. Let me share screen again, y'all. Just seen about a 30-minute ZBCN clip with Lisa Robbins. I believe Crypto Future. Very exciting. Very, very exciting. Very exciting. Shout out to Crypto Future. Definitely love Rob around here. We've been on the show a couple times there. How many of y'all remember that meme to this day? Let's see here. Brad Garlinghouse brought the 136. Ooh. When Trump announces no taxes on U.S. cryptos, I think that's when the bull run starts. DeMarcus Reed, yeah, I probably didn't. Cannot wait till no. Yep. Let's see. Okay. All right, guys, we went pretty long tonight. I'm not gonna get all the comments tonight. Tons and tons of comments. Thank you guys, and sorry that if I didn't get to your comments tonight. You know, way longer show than I normally do. I'll try to really make clips of this show and cut it up. I really appreciate it. Like 9:03 coming out here. 9:30, 6:39 on X. There we go with the 9s and the 6s and 3s. If you can put into the comments of the show after this, after it goes off, if you can put into the comments to this day, to this day, if you can put to this day in the comments, after, not in the chat, but in the comments of the show, I will know you got to the end to this day. Thank you guys so much for coming through. Excellent show. Let's continue it. Zebec, let's see if it gets to 0.006 tonight. Peace, guys. Have a good one. We're out.